Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decor. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon so you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video till the end and then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about different shapes, rainbow theme cake decor ideas in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, stylish, eye-catching cake decor ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. All the designs are very unique and trendy. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I am sure birthday cake decor ideas from this video. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. These designs look special for baby girls. Rainbow theme special for baby girls and girls to cake designs. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it and also to try my amazing and beautiful designs. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. I hope you like these designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And also make sure press the bell icon. I hope you like this design with themed and color combinations. If you want to see more make party decor ideas, cake decor ideas or any other celebration idea, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. All the designs are amazing, look so attractive. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. If you want to see more make party decor ideas, cake decor ideas or any other celebration ideas, then please visit my channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.